So this next step that you're gonna learn is called the Apache Shuffle. The Apache Shuffle was always done similar to a Soul Train line, but where two rivalry crews would get together, or people on a block party would get together and go down the line. Now, this shuffle is not the easiest one to teach, so bear with me as I seem to be one of the first few ones that is actually putting this together in this type of structure. So here we go. I'm going to pick up my one foot. As I loop around, I'm going to pivot and send the heel out. I have this side feel, hit. All together, it'll go. 1. I'm gonna put all the weight onto that foot that just stepped as I pick up the other foot and try it again on this side. 2. 1, 2. Notice the loop. Notice the loop. Right where my weight picks up, I loop over, hip turn, and hit. Swing over, hip turn, and hit. If you know anything about locking, this looks really similar to the which ways in locking, but a little bit more refined. Here would be the structural way, or the skeletal form. Bend the foot straight. Bend the foot straight. Boom, boom, boom. Notice the pivot. Now you start rocking forward. I like to use this push cart feel, but after that, once you get comfortable, you can do however way you want to tell your story, to battle attack, however way you want to do it. So now let's get into rhythms. When it comes to rhythms, what we're going to do is our standards. We've already done the 1-1-1-1 rhythm. Now we'll do doubles. So we'll go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's try that again, just so you can see the 1 and 2, 3 and 4. It's not the same when you're doing it slow. You have to be quick. Again, like any TopRock we've always talked about, heels up. In this bouncy ready position, doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that you've gotten the singles and the doubles, it's time, yes, it's time. 1, 1, 2. And that's how we're gonna do it. So the rhythm will look something like this. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Next up, we're going to be talking about spatial awareness and how to move our bodies. You don't want to just stay stationary when you dance, because then it gets really monotonous, it gets boring to the eye. So here's how you're going to spice things up. We're going to do an Apache step with a travel step. If you're coming from a dancer's perspective, here's what I'm talking about, pas de bourrée. So let's just go over that transition first. So the pas de bourrée goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So once you have that down, which is pretty simple, then all that we're doing here is adding the Apache Shuffle. So that's going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 1, switch. 1, 1, pas de bourrée. If you're liking it like that. But if you just get down with the get down, it looks like this. Now I'm going to show you how we can change and rotate. If you're talking about being in a cipher or being in a circle setup, you want to be able to move freely and move all the way around. And that's going to look something like this. You dig?